The Sortby function allows me to go ahead and see a generated list of data sorted out by the content in another corresponding column. I'll start here at cell B16. I'll say equals sort by and tab it in. Here I have several arguments, but the primary two I need would be array and by array 1. Basically, what range do I want to see a generated list of, and then how am I sorting out that data? Which content is it being based off of? So the first argument here, array, I'll go ahead and choose the data that I want to see a generated list of. So I'll choose from A6 to A13. By array 1 means the first array that I want that first argument array to be sorted out by. So I'll choose from B6 to B13. Now since B6 to B13 is numerical data, it's going to go ahead and sort that out from lowest to highest, and then it's going to go ahead and pair the corresponding sales agents from the lowest to highest order. Close it out, push enter, and here I see the sort by function.